Welcome back to our platform. Today I will talk about computer. My topic belong to class 6. Today we will understand about chapter number 4 and the name of chapter using mail merge option. So let's start. Using mail merge features. Firstly we will understand about the work functions of a mail merge. After that we will discuss the definition and the other thing. I will tell you what is the work of a mail merge feature. In a company, they have to send a multiple letter on a daily basis. Suppose that they have to send a letter to 100 people. They have to send a letter to 100 people, and in letter they want to write addresses and name. In every letter they want to write addresses and name. Then they have to write 100 letters, and it is a very lengthy work of doing this, and daily basis they have to do, so it is very tidy work. So mail merge provide a feature by which we can send a letter to number of people at a different addresses. Means that only we have to create one letter, and we can send this letter to multiple person very easily. How we will do this in mail merge? Firstly we will write a letter. After that we will create a name of person to whom we want to send. In one point we will create a letter. After that we will write the name to whom we want to send the letter. After that we will merge this, and one letter become a 100. If we have write the 100 name, then the letter become 100. Now I am giving you another example of that. Suppose that you are organizing a birthday party and you want to invite your friend, and every invitation letter you want to write the name of your friend and its address. Then you have to write 100 letters. But if you want to do it easily, then you write only one letter. After that make a list of your 100 friends and merge it, and when you merge it, then this letter become 100 with the different addresses. In every letter have a different addresses and different name. This is a work of mail merge features. मेल मर्ज फीचर्स में हम एक ही लेटर के बहुत सारे लेटर्स बना सकते हैं. हमें जितने भी लेटर बनाने हैं उस लेटर के, तो हम उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, एक और लिस्ट बनाते हैं जिसमें हमें उन पर्सन्स के नेम लिख देने होते हैं जिन्हें हमें वो लेटर सेंड करना है. अगर मैंने 4 पर्सन के नेम लिखे हैं, अगर मैं एक लेटर को 4 पर्सन को भेजना चाहती तो उन 4 पर्सन के नेम लिख लूँगी. और जब हम उसे मर्ज कराएंगे तब क्या हो जाएगा, हमारे लेटर्स कितने बन जाएंगे, 4 लेटर्स बन जाएंगे. 1 लेटर्स का कितना बन जाता है आपका, 4 लेटर्स बन जाता है. 1 लेटर का हमारा कितना बन जाएगा, 4 लेटर्स बन जाएगा. तो ये वर्क होता है मेल मर्ज फीचर्स का. आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पे. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मेल मर्ज फीचर बाय डेफिनेशन वाइज. Mail merge feature is used to send same letter to a number of people at a different addresses. If we want to send a same letter to number of people at a different addresses, this is known as a mail merge feature. Mail merge feature is used to send same letter to a multiple person at a different addresses. Now come to the next point. In mail merge feature, firstly we have to write a letter. After that we have to write the name of person which we want to send the letter. So when we write the letter, this is known a main document, and when we write the name of person, this is known as a data source. This is known as a data source, and it is known as a main document. Again I am telling, the letter which we draw, which we write, that is known as a main document. And when we write the name of person which we want to send the letter, this is known as a data source. So mail merge feature is used to combine. We have to combine data source with the main document, and it save our time, energy to send letter at a multiple address. It save our time and energy also. Now come to the next point. We talk about some thing in the mail merge feature. Firstly, we talk about data source, and after that main document. What is data source? Data source consists a mailing list, means that the name of person, the name of things which we want to send. Here is name, post, anything you want to write in letter, you have to write in this columns. Again I am telling the definition of data source. Data source consists the mailing list. It consists the mailing list. All the things we want to include in the letter, that is contained by the data source. And many person, they have a different name, they have a different addresses, they have a different phone numbers, they have a different email IDs. These things have written in a mail merge. This things has been written in a data source. Again I am telling, डाटा सोर्स एक टेबल की फॉर्म में होती है, और ये टेबल की फॉर्म में हम वो सारी चीज़ें लिखते हैं जो हमें हर लेटर पे चेंज करनी होती है, चाहे उनका नेम हो, चाहे ईमेल एड्रेस हो, चाहे फ़ोन नंबर्स हो। तो वो सारी चीज़ें हम एक बॉक्स में बना लेते हैं जो कि हमें हर लेटर में चेंज करनी है, और ये टेबुलर फॉर्म में होती है, टेबल की फॉर्म में होती है। इसमें अलग अलग फील्ड नेम्स भी होते हैं जिसमें हम चीज़ों को फिल करते हैं। Now come to the points. Data source consists the mailing list. It organizes data in tabular form, means that in table forms it organizes data. Example: name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. It is associated with main document. It is associated with main document. We have to merge it with main document. So what is the main document? Main document contains the text that we wish to send all the persons, all the recipients. Means that it is a text that we want to send. It contains the text that we want to send. What we want to send, how we want to invite our friends, how we have to send a letter. Then the text is known as a main document. It is a text that we want to send to the person. Now come to the things. We have written the letter, we have write the letter, we have created a data source. After that we have to merge these things. So after that, firstly we will create main document, after that we will create data source, after that we will merge it, So it is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc., which instruct MS Word where to insert data sources information into the main document. Means that what is the work of merge field? What is the work of merge field? Merge field instructs to MS Word that where these things we have to write in the letter. मर्ज फील्ड का वर्क होता है, वो बताता है कि आपको कहाँ पर लेटर के अंदर कौन सी चीज़ लिखनी है। मेन वर्क यही होता है कि इन दोनों लेटर्स को ज्वाइन करना और कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ पर लिखनी है। ये किसका वर्क होता है? मर्ज फील्ड का वर्क होता है। इट is used to insert data source into the main document. It is used to insert data source in the main document. and it also instructs to MS Word where we have to insert data source information in the main document. Come to the next point. So mail merge feature involves three basic steps. It has a three basic step. Firstly, we have to create a document. After that, we have to specify the data sources. After that, we will merge data sources with the main document. When we merge it, you can see that how many letters has been created. They have write a letter and they have write the data sources. So when we merge it, our output has been become that there are multiple letters. This is the work of mail merge features. I think you have understand this topic very clearly. If you like my video, you can like it and share it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching my video.